Hi, how's everybody doing? My name is Ahmed Yuta once again. This is my tutorial 9. I would just go ahead and demonstrate this one. This is my index.js where I have a lot of my functionalities uh, worked on, and we have a server as usual, and I have open terminals, and I'm gonna close this and hopefully run it again. Let me just clear the window. All I need to do is rerun the server. My Express is already been installed, and I would just click on this one, and we have that, and I can click on the user as well, and I am working on as a user, and as you can see my password and my whatever, and the user role is admin, and we have everything that is supposed to be here, but this also is available here on the screen. This was the first one, and we can also go back and try all of the rest to make sure they work. I Now on this one, you have all the songs as you can see here, and I can go back again. And for the last one, where you get 372 song, um, I'm sure that is available here. That's it. So basically, we're good, and that's basically all. We have all this. So I mean, that's it basically. Everything works, and this is part 3 and part 4. Thank you so very much.